Hey guys, I hope everybody's having a fantastic day. Whether you're watching this in the morning, in the afternoon, or in the evening, I am glad you're here. Real quickly, just a quick thank you to the channel members. Thank you, and thank you to anyone who's stopping through to check out my knife, my EDC, content, unboxings, overviews, the like. I appreciate you more than you know. And if you're so inclined, if you hit that subscribe button and bell notification icon, it would help me out. Today's a little bit of a different unboxing from Urban EDC Supply. It's definitely an impulse buy. It's actually an impulse buy, I guess you'd say. Influenced by one of the worst influences, buddies that I currently run around with, our friend Lefty EDC. So, you guys know I do a lot of different flashlights, right? I do my Maritex, I love my Qlites, I love my Rovivons. There's just a lot of lights that I use, right? But I've never had a big boy custom flashlight. So I was talking with Lefty, might have been on Off the Edge with him last week, and started talking about this FocusWorks F3, which is kind of he recommended it as an intro level kind of light to see what I thought about it, right? So the last thing I need is another rabbit hole to go down, but I proved that I could kind of contain myself with slip joints, not so much with EDC fixed blades. So I figure we will give this a chance. So it's packaged very well in this tube. I don't know if you guys can see that. Foam all the way around. Let's see if I can get my fingers down there to get it. Here it comes. So very well packaged. Little small light. Smaller, I guess, than I thought. I don't know why. No instructions, made in Canada. FocusWorks F3 black aluminum. They had a couple other colors in stock. I picked up the black aluminum just because it's kind of more my jam. And then I had to order some batteries that I had to find, and that kind of took a little while. Let's see where those go. Where that one goes. Let's see what we got here. All right, so I'm guessing the button goes down. Let's see. No? Let's see, guys. I guess I can try it, and we can see which way it goes. Let's see if there's anything down in here. I doubt there is. There's not. All right. So what we're going to do is I'm going to take a real quick peek, and I'll be right back. All right, guys, so we're going to take one of our batteries, our 14.5s. Drop it in there. So there you go, guys. Got the aluminum little bezel there. It's got a good little grip. I can feel the clip, but it looks like a good clip. Let's see how it goes in and out of pocket. Goes in and out of pocket a little stiff, but it goes in good. I will have to learn. It looks like it's just two clicks. It's high. So it's low, medium, high. Low, medium, high. And that's soft clicks. Low, medium, high, low, medium, high, low, medium, high. Let's see if and then when I click it on, it stays on. And then it remembers the last setting. So let's see again. Low, medium, high, low. Click it on low. Turn it off, turn it back on. It remembers the last setting. Low, medium, high. Let's see. So very cool. You soft touch it on the tail tapper there to change the settings, and then you know, you click it into place with the little squeaky there. So guys, this is a first for me. Again, just an overview, kind of letting you know that I unboxed it. I guess an unboxing more than an overview of my first big boy light, the little FocusWorks F3 from Urban EDC. Give you a couple of size comparisons. That's the Qlite arc filled, and then that is my Meritac LEP laser projection dealie, and then this is my Rovivon A24 tie. So it's kind of a slim light. It's a light. I picked up a couple of batteries, so I picked up an extra battery for it, so I'll have a backup. Yeah, looking forward to carrying it, looking forward to checking it out. Thank you, Lefty, for helping me enter the rabbit hole. I say that with a little bit of sarcasm. But yeah, and I think he's got an F2 that he's wanting to sell me if I like this, which I'm an idiot and will probably buy it. But in either case, this is the Rovivon, or the FocusWorks. I can't read what that says. There says something there. I can't read it. But anyway, really, it must just be a brand. Very minimalistic, sleek, and I dig it. FocusWorks from Canada, custom light. I don't know much about it. I will learn more about it before I do the overview, the longer term kind of review, and talk to you guys about it and see if I think it's worth it. You know, they're not cheap. They're on sale right now at Urban EDC Supply. I think they still have some of these in stock. That's where I got this one. But I appreciate you guys watching. I always appreciate you guys checking out the content. All I ever ask is if you'll please look out for the guy or gal to your left. Please look out for the guy or gal to your right. Look out for each other. Go forward with love in your heart. Choose debate, not hate. I love y'all. Peace.